Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your Google Slide professional. Looks good. So you can now open your Google Slide that you want to edit. Here we go. I'm using Canva combined with the Google Slide. So you can design the slide from Canva and then convert it into Google Slide. It's very possible. Like this. And also if you want to if you don't wanna use Canva, you can use this one, Pixabay. So you can go to the pixabay.com. This is a totally free image, royalty free, copyright free, that you can download. For example, I'm downloading one of the image here. It's very easy. You can download directly without ads, of course. And let's insert the image that we already download, this one. So please, you can make it full like this. Try to a full image in every slide, and also you can add tags in here, so you can create something from nothing here. You can make a description, anything, describe about anything that you want, present anything that you want. And also you have to use the maximize how you can use this tool. So for the material, you can upload from here, from Pixabay. This is free, totally free. You can download image, illustration, factors, even video and GIF to add into your slide presentation. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the text button below. See you in the next video.